Yes, you can use a moisturizer if you have oily skin, and you can use this one. If you're somebody who has oily skin and you've been avoiding moisturizer because you don't want to become more oily, you actually might be doing your skin a disservice. Hey there, we are back and we are answering your most frequently asked questions about Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. Let's dive in. Absolutely. Dehydration is actually one of the first ways we start to see signs of aging, so you definitely want to be using a good moisturizer. This one here is packed full of amazing ingredients that help your skin barrier to retain moisture, and you have plump, smooth, soft, extremely moisturized skin. You can use the Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream in the morning or in the evening because the texture, although it's rich and creamy and thick, is never going to be greasy or heavy or clog your pores. It actually is super light on the skin, absorbs quickly, and gives you long-lasting moisture whether you use it in the morning or in the evening. Yes, you can use a moisturizer if you have oily skin, and you can use this one. If you're somebody who has oily skin and you've been avoiding moisturizer because you don't want to become more oily, you actually might be doing your skin a disservice. You want good moisturizers that help to balance your oil. If you're constantly trying to avoid oil and strip the natural oils you have, your skin might react by producing even more oil. So this is not going to clog your pores, it's not going to be heavy or greasy, it's going to feel really nicely comforted throughout the day, and it's not going to make your skin oily. That's a great question. We at Biossance have two fabulous moisturizers, Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream and Squalane Plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. The first difference that you can see with the two of these is their texture. So the Probiotic Gel Moisturizer is lighter weight, it feels more cooling on the skin, whereas the Omega Repair Cream is richer and thicker in texture. They're both going to give you long-lasting hydration, and no matter what your skin type, you can choose the texture you prefer. But they also differ in the concerns that they address. The Probiotic Gel Moisturizer is great for someone with oilier skin, maybe blemish-prone skin, red skin, just overall irritation. This is a great anti-inflammatory, soothing, calming moisturizer for you. The Omega Repair Cream is just the ultimate moisturizer for dry, normal skin because it locks in that healthy moisture all day without a heavy or greasy feel. So if you want to use both moisturizers, this is something I often see people doing. They will use the lighter weight moisturizer, Squalane Plus Probiotic Gel Moisturizer, in the morning, especially if they are living in more of a hot or humid climate. And then in the evening, when they might have their air conditioning on, or they just want that nice whipped moisturizer to go to bed, the Omega Repair Cream is in the evening routine. Omega fatty acids and ceramides are ingredients you can find in this moisturizer, and they really help to maintain a healthy skin barrier. Ceramides are essentially the glue that helps to keep all of your skin cells together, and omega fatty acids, especially the essential ones, omegas 3, 6, and 9, ones that our body doesn't make, help to prevent transepidermal water loss, TEWL. That's when moisture naturally evaporates from your skin. So what you want to do is use a good moisturizer to lock in all that good moisture, prevent you from environmental aggressors, and just keep you happy all day long. And those are the most frequently asked questions for our Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. I hope I answered yours, and if you have another one, pop them in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and we will see you next time. Bye.